Alright guys, welcome to another cracking day. We've just left Albury. We're now on our way down to Dandenong, Victoria. It's roughly, looking at the clock, about 367 kilometres. Says we're going to do it in about 3 hours and 47 minutes. Probably be about 4.5 tow on the van behind. We'll show you some of the sights. We'll show you how good the caravan or how bad the caravan park is. So let's get into it. Night's sleep. We left the park. The weather is fantastic today, so we're going to go down to Chelsea. We're going to check out the beach, take you along for the drive, and then tonight we're going to the AO final, guys. So we're going to show you how well that Rafa and Medvedev play tennis. See if they're as good as you, Jess. All right, let's go.
I said that this was
I've driven down every wrong street there is here. What do we got here? Edith Vale Life-Saving Club.
Edith, oh there's the beach. Yep. Not for us. Oh, I said it to you, didn't I, Dad?
Yeah, you did tell me, mate, that probably go further up. And like all good things that you do when your kids give you advice, you just ignore it. Because 9 times out of 10, or 9.9 times out of 10, it's not good advice, but today would have been.
Yep. The advice master.
I don't know. You have to check in everywhere these days, mate. Alright. Well, we made it to a beautiful beach. I'll put that little photograph up. That I just took of where we are. And I can tell you now, just from walking down here, there's only 2 people here. What a spectacular place. Absolutely no one. Phenomenal spot. Alright. Hey Jesse, come here. See this here? That's what you put your hand in. Put your hand in. The bin's on that side and you put your hand in there to clean it.
You'll get bloody... There's, what's that superhero called?
That's it, yeah.
Doctor.
Don't go putting your hands in there, guys. That's the recycling.
You get robot arms.
You will. You'll definitely end up with them there. All these old places here are gradually being replaced by all these big, beautiful new homes. Spectacular. Alrighty, that little beach was called Watkins Reserve. Well, it was Ashplum Beach, but it was at Watkins Reserve. It's about 15 minutes from the Dandenong Big 4 Tourist Park. I can tell you now, if you have little kids, plenty of parking in that street. You saw the problems we had trying to find a parking spot in the previous streets. Plenty of parking in the street. The water, as you saw, is like glass. It's shallow all the way out. The kids can play in. Go there and check it out. You're gonna love it. Look at this bloke. He's made a run for it, so she, right in front of me. I've had to slow down. Yes, silly girl. Silly girl. That's my good Samaritan deed done for the day. Not wiping her out. Far out.
You
know, when you get older, you're meant to get smarter, right? 2 cases of not real smart, but 1 case of pure loyalty, because the guy went first, and the old woman, she didn't even question it. She just took off.
Yep.
So she should have just pushed him out in front and said, "You're on your own, son." And I'm going to use my intelligence.
Look at that castle.
They're nice, aren't they? Oh, here we go. We've got a 79 series Farmer's Wave.
Look both ways when you cross the road.
See if we get a Farmer's Wave here from the 79 series. Here we go. We're coming down. 79er. it.
Yeah,
we got it.
We got
it. There's just one thing about the 79 series, wherever you go, these old cars, everyone waves to everyone.
Yeah.
Crazy.
They're a good bunch of blokes. All women. You never know.
Yeah, there's a lot of women that own them.
Do you own a 79 series?
I'll pack my bags. There's the fan.
I like that song.
Which one?
About to leave.
That's it. Already packing. Come with me.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know.
I don't think it's my good angle.
Oh, I always try and mix it up.
I don't have a good angle. Tell you what, guys, life on the water must be tough. Those seagulls, he's missing 2 feet on the left over here, missing his 2 feet, and this one here, he's missing 1 foot. So it certainly hasn't stopped them from catching the chips, as I can show you right now. The one on the left, here we go. He's got it, first go. Nothing wrong with his mouth. Yeah, I know. And then you, mate, come on, in you come, in you come. Yeah, look at that. I was step-toeing, son. Good job, boys. Good job. One thing it is, mate, it's hot. It's hot. I've decided to get the, I've gone for the whiting. What'd you go for, Jess? You went for the hot dog?
Yeah.
Oh. That's one dry looking hot dog you got there, mate. Lucky I got some tomato sauce. I should have got mustard. Been told I should have got mustard for all of our hot dogs, mate. So we missed out on that. There you go. He'll use all the sauce too, though. Yeah, I got that for the chips. Yeah. Well, I have to say that was the most epic tennis match I've ever seen in my life, and it is 3:27 a.m. at the moment. We're back in the van. Jessie and I struggled to get a bit of an Uber, or any part of an Uber, or a taxi. So we ran the 4.8 kilometres to where I'd parked my car at Toorak, and then we drove home. So just having a quiet little ginger beer, just to settle the stomach before I go to bed. And then we've got to get up early in the morning, we've got to pack up the van, and then we're on our way to Gundagai. So we're staying on the river at Gundagai on the way home. How did you like today, Jess?
Oh, it's incredible.
Incredible?
Yeah, worth every cent.
Worth every cent, I'm glad. That's really good, mate. Well, guys, make sure you click the like and the subscribe button if you want to see us and follow us home on our journey back through Gundagai and then on to home. Make sure you click the bell for notifications. I'll do that again.
I think you said home like 3 times.
I know. Do us a big favour. Make sure you hit the like and the subscribe button. Leave a comment below. And if you could hit the bell so you don't miss any future episodes, that'd be fantastic. Cheers, guys. Thanks for everything you do.
Better, same, worse.
Oh, it'll do. It'll do. Get this aircon going, get it off the window, get it on my face. That'll make us feel a bit better, Jess. Get down the road here. How good's this spot? Look at this. No one beside us. Got everything to ourselves. Got the little induction cooker set up here. See what we got in the kitchen here. How you going, mate?
Well, I'm just watching the TV.
Watching the TV.
About to start Married at First Sight.
Oh yeah? Yeah. You're not cooking the rice?
Oh, not tonight, mate.
Not tonight. You're gonna do a salad.
Salad.
Alright, well on the induction cooker,
Anything else I need to get for you?
I need the steaks, I need a pan, I need some salt and pepper.
Alright, well, I don't know if I can get that for you. Don't think I can get that for you, mate.
Why not?
Can't be bothered.